Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Desk Seekers. In this video, I will be unboxing my Lenovo IdeaPad. Would also be telling you the features and the specifications of the IdeaPad, that is a laptop, and I would also be unboxing my mouse. For the RAM, memory space, SSD and other specifications, do check the description box as I have pasted the link there. It's been a month since I got this and have used it. The overall experience is good. If you are a student, I would definitely advise you to go for this particular model. And yes, I got it on the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. It was kind of a steal deal, I would say. That sleek feel and the lightweight features are some highlights of this purchase, I could say. The mouse came with 2 batteries and an USB port. The mouse overall was not so good. I think we could definitely go for a better company mouse. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, stay tuned to Desk Seekers.